May 18th, about 10 after 7, and it's chilly this morning. We had a frost advisory last night. I don't think it actually froze, but it did get kind of cold. I was fine though, but packing up this morning was cold. I got my gloves back out. I was getting ready to mail those home today. They don't weigh a thing, so I don't know. I may just hold on to them. So we camped about 4 miles or so outside Delaware Water Gap last night. Just narrowing in today so we can kind of spend the whole day in town. We are going to be staying at the Clarion. They're in town, so we're going to walk there, and then we're going to try and get a shuttle over for new shoes. These rocks killed mine, but I do have about 500 miles on them. Last pair I got was in Glasgow. I picked them up there. They had been delivered to me at the Stanimals there, and that was mile 270, I think. And we are coming up on mile 1300 in just a few miles, just on the other side of Delaware Water Gap. So, that's the update. Looking forward to doing laundry because it's been a while. Looking forward to a shower because it's been a while. Gonna resupply and eat a lot of food. So don't have a lot of battery on my phone, so got to get that charged up as well. All my stuff is kind of dead, my electronics, so need to charge all that. But all right, trail goes that way. You know what we do. Let's go. All right, we are walking into Delaware Water Gap, which is the last town in Pennsylvania before New Jersey. So I like what I see so far. All right, Odin, who says he's slow, beat us down here, already eating. All right, just got a shuttle over to Stroudsburg. It's a cute little town. It's like the little downtown area. and getting ready to go into ready, set, run. And I think they've got a pair of shoes for me. Hopefully they're what I need. All right, just got back to the Clarion. Misty took us over to Stroudsburg. Got my new shoes. I'll show you them in a minute. And she ran us over to the Walmart for a resupply, and very knowledgeable of the area. Gave us some intel on the trails. Misty, thank you so much.
Oh, you're most welcome. Good luck to you, and may you have a wonderful, peaceful journey.
Awesome, thank you. All right, just got back to the room. Got my laundry bag sorted over there. My bag pulled apart, trying to get everything organized. Got some food at the Walmart, got my resupply. Gonna break that down, but most importantly, bam! Oh, check them out. Check them out. Oh, hey, okay. Some new Injinji trail liners. I'm still gonna wear these under the Darn Toughs, but they have some padding to them as well. So I'm excited about those. And yeah, brand new. Oh wow, yes. And let me tell you, I tried them on in the store, and they feel amazing. Like my other ones were still holding up. They don't look horrible. They smell horrible. But I didn't realize how worn down they were. See, there's not a lot left on the bottom. The rocks really chewed them up. I've got over 500 miles on these. They really did well. They performed really well. I'm happy with them. But I'm also very, very happy to have fresh new kicks. And I think the blue's pretty sharp. Thank you, Green Monsters. You served me well. 500 strong miles. Held up well. Protected my feet. Carried me through Pennsylvania. All of Virginia. Most all of Virginia. And Maryland and Pennsylvania. I'll see you later. Actually, I won't see you later, but yeah, you did well. All right, this is what a Nero day looks like.
The MH370 planned flight path would have had it flying over the South China Sea.
Oh yeah.
But the radar tracking shows it made a series of turns going toward.
All right, so I just walked up to the post office here in Delaware Water Gap and mailed home a few items. And I was thinking maybe pound and a half. Asked her how much it weighed. It was just under 3 pounds. Just under 3 pounds of clothes and stuff I hadn't used. So yeah, 3 pounds lighter. That's gonna make a difference.